We are on a video tour of Hudson Beach canals, and we can scan over and see the one that was damaged by the storm over here. We are approximately 1 year after Hurricane Helene flooded this entire area with about 5.5 feet of water. And that day, I had to move my boat from falling off my lift and put it on a floating dock, and I filmed the aftermath of the hurricane in the canals. Today, 1 year later approximately, we're doing some canal tours to see how much this area has recovered.
We're going to do a little bit of good.
I'm broker owner of Off Coast Fishing Homes Realty. I specialize in selling waterfront fishing homes in Hudson Beach, Hernando Beach, and Weeki Wachee. The tour we're going on right now is around Harbor, between Harbor and the Source One Marina. And we're going to slide down this one canal right here. If you went the other canal that's a little over there, that would be the canal to go to get hooked and Source One Marina. So these are the north, this canal is on the north side of Harbor. Alright, so you can see the area is a mix of stilt homes and ground level homes. All of these ground level houses would have probably got over 5 feet of water in them. People would ask me, how much is flood insurance on a ground level house in Hudson after 2 hurricanes in 2 years? That answer is about $5,000 a year. So living on the water is actually very affordable. We're about an hour north of Tampa International Airport along the Gulf of America. Is an active area of shrimp boats, sponges, stone crab, all the commercial fishermen in the area. Some of the single level houses have been rehabbed since the hurricane. Some have not. Some people just haven't decided what they're going to do yet. There are some people that are elevating the single level houses. But the reality is that before you get into something that's that costly, you need to figure out what your value of your single level house is going to be after you spend all the money to raise it off the ground. People think that it's going to be worth the same amount of money as a modern stilt home, and that's just not the case. In these canals, you'll see manatee, you'll see dolphins, you'll see sea turtles. All of these are salt water that go directly to the Gulf of America without any fixed bridges in the way. like this content, please like and subscribe to our channel, Gulf Coast Fishing Homes. We're going to head back down that little creek in a moment. At the end of that creek is actually Hudson Spring, a natural estuary spring flowing up from the Florida aquifer at 74 degrees. And it's just one of those natural things. The town of Hudson was actually founded around that because it was a constant clean water source. Guys, thank you for watching this video. I'm going to spin around right here. My name's Greg Clesius. I'm broker-owner of Gulf Coast Fishing Homes Realty. Give me a call at 813-394-4356. Have an amazing day.